Yeah, write the first question for today. Yes, children. Good morning, all. Write the first question. A reaction A plus B, all of you write, gives rise to AB. A reaction A plus B gives rise to AB. Okay, if initially 2 moles of A and B are taken, if initially 2 moles of A and B are reacted, initially 2 moles of A and B are reacted, at equilibrium, at equilibrium, at equilibrium, 0.8 moles of AB is formed. 0.8 moles of AB is formed. Then what is the, then calculate the percentage of A dissociated. Calculate the percentage of A dissociated. Calculate the percentage of A dissociated. Shall I repeat? A plus B gives rise to AB is an equation, equilibrium. Initially, 2 moles of A and B are reacted. All of you look at the board. Open our only notebook, remaining you close it. Initially, 2 moles of A and B are reacted. At equilibrium, what is there, ma? 0.8 moles of AZ is formed. Then calculate the percentage of A dissociated. Yes, anyone did? Try. We'll do some 10 varieties of problems today. Right. Percentage means 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, like that will be the answer. So first step, everyone clear? What is the first step? Shavani is there here? Shavani? Tell me. First step it is. Initially what you have taken? Sit and tell. 2 moles of A and B means 2, 2, 0. Am I right? Am I right or not? AB. Okay. Next you tell what you have to do. Next step. 0.8 moles of AB. AB is formed at equilibrium. Now, what we do generally? 2 minus x. This is also 2 minus x. This will be x. Okay, na? Now, what is the given clue? Correct, Ansh, correct. X is equal to 0.8. Right? So, what is the A then? 1.2. A will be 1.2. Concentration of A at equilibrium is 1.2. Given 0.8 moles of AZ is formed. AB concentration at equilibrium is given 0.8. Right? That implies X is equal to 0.8. Right or not? At equilibrium, this is at equilibrium. AB at equilibrium is given 0.8. Means this one X is 0.8. Then what is the concentration of A at equilibrium? 1.2 because 2 minus 0.8. Now is it correct? See once. Now what is the percentage of dissociation? Initial concentration, number of molecules dissociated by total number of moles taken. So 1.2 by 2 into 100. How much, children? 5. 60. What is our question? He told 20. And at equilibrium, 0.8 moles of AB is then calculate the percentage of A dissociated. So 60%, 2 minus x means 1.2. So how much is remained is 60%. So 40% is dissociated. No. So this is what, children? Percentage of A dissociated. Percentage of A dissociated is how much? 1.2 by 2 into 100. Why, children? Because at the equilibrium 1.2 is remaining. So initial moles by total moles into 100. That is percentage of A dissociated. So that is 60%. Then what is our question? So percentage of A remained. This is percentage of A remained. So what is percentage of A dissociated? Percentage of A dissociated is equal to how much? 40%. So this is our answer. Shall I tell again? Shall I tell again? Okay. See. First question. This is the question. A plus B gives rise to AB. Initially we started with 2 moles of A and B are reacted. Okay. Somehow they reacted. At equilibrium it is found that 0.8 moles of AZ is formed. How much is formed? 0.8 moles. So then calculate the percentage of A dissociated. How much A got dissociated we require. How much of A got understood? Percentage of A dissociated we have to calculate. Now, initially how you have to go? 2 moles, 2 moles, 0 moles. All of you look at the board. I'll give time. I'll give time. So 2 moles, 2 moles, 0 moles. Understanding? So 2 minus x. Why? Because here 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole only no. So that is why 2 minus x, 2 minus x, x. Suppose here 2b is there. Suppose. Then here 2 minus 2x. Here suppose 3ab is there. Then 3x. Understanding? Why only x is 0 plus x we have to write actually. But initially 0. Suppose initially 2 and 3 moles are reacted to form 5 moles. Suppose it. So 2, 2, 5. Then here what is the thing? 5 plus x you will get. If initial moles of AB is 5, suppose, then here you will get 5 plus x. Understanding? So here only you got x. Now equilibrium concentration of AB is given as 0.8. So means indirectly x is given 0.8. X is given 0.8. This is equilibrium concentration. Then how much is the equilibrium concentration of A remained? Means after equilibrium reached, how much is remained? 2 minus 0.8. That is how much? 1 point. So this equilibrium constant is what? 2 minus x 0.8. So how much you got? 1.2 is the concentration of A remained. Suppose take it as 1 liter. Moles also 1.2. Concentration also 1.2. If you take 1 liter. So this is the equilibrium moles remaining. Equilibrium moles remaining. Okay, this is not the concentration. If it is 1 liter, then concentration also 1.2. Are you getting my point? This is the equilibrium moles. If it is 1 liter, then concentration also 1.2. Okay, otherwise moles and concentration won't be equal. Okay, now what is the question? Percentage of A remained is how much? Means initially we have taken 2 moles, but now it is remaining only 1.2. So percentage of remaining means 1.2 is remained. 2 is the initial moles you have taken into 100. So how much percentage is remaining at equilibrium? 60%. Then how much got dissociated? 40%. Total 100 now. How much got dissociated? 40%. 100 minus 60, 40%. So question you have to see carefully. Calculate the percentage of A remained means the answer is 60%. Calculate the percentage of A dissociated means 40%. Right? Right now. Understand? 40%. Okay. Okay, okay. Next one. H2 plus I2 gives rise to 2HI. Second. Right. Right, children. Like that also. 1 minus alpha, the direct formula. 0.2 by how much is remaining? 0.8 by 2. So 0.8 by 2 I means initially 200. So here X is dissociated. Yes, very good. Say one more easy clue also there. What is alpha, children? Alpha means degree of dissociation only now. Number of moles dissociated by total number of moles. How many number of moles dissociated here? How many number of moles dissociated? 0.8 by total number of moles remaining 2 into 100. How much? That is also 40%. That's what you think, right? Good. So that is directly. But A reminder means then 60 minus 100 minus 40 also. How much is reminder means? How much dissociation means directly formula. So what is alpha formula, children? And that is for 1 mole only it is working. Otherwise A alpha you have to take. Here everything is 1 mole. We have taken in the equation. Okay, alpha formula once again. Number of moles. What? Upon initial moles taken or total number of moles, but you have to write correctly initial moles taken. This is degree of dissociation. If percentage of dissociation means into 100. Percentage dissociation means into 100. Okay, that is also correct. Next question you see. Easy question. Yes. 2HI gives rise to, sorry, H2 plus I2 gives rise to. All models you have to see. Previous exam questions, if you see now, these models are only more, but very easy. Kc is 49. Yeah. Now, what will be the equilibrium constant for this? That's very easy to do. All are gases. 1 upon 7, how much? 1 upon 7, 0.11. So easy. First, this equilibrium, we have to reverse it. For that reverse, what is the Kc value? For the reverse reaction, 1 by 49. It is the reciprocal. For the reverse reaction, Kc is 1 by 49. After reversing, it is 1 by 2 se multiply karna. Right, children? Understood this? Because this equation equilibrium constant they are asking, this is obtained by reversing multiplied with 2. 2 1 by 2. Divided by 2 means that multiplied by 1 by 2 only. So this reverse करने से क्या आएगा? Solution you see. If you reverse it, 2HCI, 2HI gives rise to H2 plus I2. What is the equilibrium constant? 1 by 49. After that, we want HI. So 1 by 2 से multiply करो. So if you are multiplying with 1 by 2, then equilibrium constant will be power of that, right? So 1 by 7. What is the answer for 1 by 7? 0.111, so on, right? This one easy only, directly. But this type of model I am asking. Here I gave easy calculation part. Calculation part may be difficult. Understood, ma? This one second page. No? reverse by 2, that's all. First I reversed it, so 1/4 then होगा, इसके बाद 1/2 से multiply करना. Now third question you see, 2 moles of nitrogen. 2 moles of nitrogen is mixed with, is mixed with 6 moles of hydrogen. 2 moles of nitrogen is mixed with 6 moles of hydrogen in a 1 liter capacity, in a closed vessel of 1 liter capacity, in a 1 liter vessel, you can write closed. 50% of nitrogen is converted to ammonia. 50% of nitrogen is converted to ammonia. Converted to ammonia. So 50% of nitrogen. Calculate Kc. Yes, all of you do. Answer shall I give options? Okay. Yeah. 27/4. First option. 4/27. 2/27 and 20. Handwriting little, font size little big. Okay. So for this, now I repeat once. 2 moles of nitrogen is mixed with 6 moles of hydrogen in a 1 liter vessel. 50% of nitrogen is converted to ammonia. Then calculate Kc. Have you done the first and second time? No. Yes, children. What is the answer? A or B or C or D? Wait. Yes. It is B. You are getting B. B. You see? Yes. Didn't get? Why? Easy one, 50% of nitrogen is converted to ammonia. Smart, right? Second bench, are you trying? What is the first step, tell me? First step. Yes. Is correct. Yes. Other people also. 50% off. Without doing the degree of dissociation also we can do normally, normal logic. Alpha, hर बार use करने की जरूरत नहीं. D minus that formula. Okay. This is not given now. Okay, next one. See. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2 ammonia. Okay, children. Now, initially 2 moles is there. This is how much? 6 moles. This is 0. So concentration also will be same. Why? Because 1 liter vessel. 2 N2. हाँ 2 only wrote. कैसे आया? Equation दे दिया था. Equilibrium they will give. Or else how many days we are doing this one? Nitrogen reacts to form 2 ammonia. So equation is given. Actually, they will give. Otherwise, also you have to do. Understand? This equilibrium nitrogen when reacts with hydrogen will give ammonia. If you see the notes record में मैंने 7 बार पूछा है ये equation. 7 times I told you. See. Okay. This is given anyhow. I didn't write, but this is given children. I didn't write. Question में दे देगा. 90% दे देगा. But sometimes you have to write. Then afterwards, what you have to do? 2 minus x, 3 minus, 6 minus, very good. 6 minus 3x. Initially 6 is there. For 1 mole, x is dissociation. For 3 moles, 3x will be the thing. This you should know. Everyone should know this. Then only you can write. This one. So if you do this, 50% of the question is completed. 50 what? 70% of the question is completed. If everyone knows this, how to write, then it is done. Okay. So initially 2 moles are given. X is the dissociation for 1 mole. So for 3 moles, what is the dissociation? 3x. And 2 moles are forming 2x. This one, if you know how to write, the problem is done. Now what I told, 50% is dissociated now. 50% of nitrogen is dissociated. Means x is equal to 50%. 2 plus 50% how much? 1 only. Into what is 50%? 1. Means x is equal to how much, children? 1. Now equilibrium concentration can't you find? Can't you find the equilibrium concentration? So this is how much? 1. This is how much? 3. This is how much? 2. Now what is our Kc? Ammonia concentration raised to 2 by nitrogen concentration into hydrogen raised to 3. This is what Kc. Now substitute Kc value. So this is 2 whole square by 1 into 9. I don't remember, sir. Ammonia, how much is there? 2 only, no? So 4. By nitrogen, how much? 1. Okay. Hydrogen, how much? 3. Actually, they will give the point value. I made it simple. Again, 4 by 27. You can do it. Understand? Easy? Okay. Next question. Recharge principle you will see now. How x key value? And 50% dissociated, Nora. 50% got dissociated. So initial moles are 2. Initial moles are 2. So 50% dissociated means like that. Understood? And any doubt? Initially 2 moles is there. 50% means half of this. What equation I wrote? That is given in the question. Ammonia formation. Ammonia formation. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2 ammonia. Nitrogen and hydrogen reacted. No. So that is called Haber process. Haber process, preparation of ammonia. Okay. Next one. Next one. So little bigger I will write. 4H2O. Right. See this one. This one. Is it clear? Last page. 4H2O plus 3Fe. 3Fe solid gives rise to Fe3O4 plus Fe3O4 plus a 4H2. Here what are gases, children? This is gas, this is solid, and this is also gas, means steam. Okay, can anyone tell what is the value of delta N for this? Very good. So you should calculate what? Yes, we have to take gaseous moles only. So delta N value is 0. Now my question is, see, the yield of hydrogen can be increased by the yield of hydrogen can be enhanced by first option. All of you look at the board. By increasing the pressure, first option. By increasing the pressure, second option. By passing steam, by passing more amount of steam, more steam. Third one, by removing steam, fourth option. So temperature they won't give children. By decreasing the pressure. Okay, na? These are the things. Temperature, why they won't give temperature effect? Because we don't know whether it is exothermic or endothermic. So if heat is not given, then they won't ask about temperature. You no need to by heart that it is exo or endo. If they give delta H is equal to negative, then certainly they will ask temperature effect. Okay. So this is only pressure effect and concentration effect. That we can do from this. Yes, tell the answer. D. Is that B? B or D? B. So first of all, I asked you what is delta N? Delta N value how much? Delta N 0 means is there any pressure effect, children? No. That is why by increasing the pressure or by decreasing the pressure, there is no effect of the equilibrium. Because delta N is 0, pressure has no effect. If delta N is greater than 0, then what happens? If delta N is, if delta N is greater than 0, then if pressure is increased, it will go to the less number of moles side. Means volume come correct. If pressure is increased, where less number of moles are there, that side it will go. Okay, now? And if pressure is decreased, where more number of moles are there, that side it will go. So this is the pressure effect. I have given you shortcut in the notes. Check it. But here pressure effect has nothing. Now by passing more steam, if you increase the steam here, so according to Lee Chapman, steam should decrease. Like we have to go in ulta, opposite way. If more steam is passed, so the steam should decrease. Should decrease means forward reaction. So if it goes forward reaction, hydrogen concentration increases. Understanding or not? So last option, by removing steam. Steam you are taking. Okay, means what? According to Lee Chapman, steam should increase. Should increase means backward reaction. So whatever effect is there, you have to ulta socho, opposite you think. Accordingly, the reaction will go. Next, can you write the Kc for this reaction? Kc. Kc, what will be the equation for Kc? Expression for Kc. Huh? No. H2 power 4. Correct. And this one won't be there because it is solid. Iska concentration unit 1. Whatever is the power by iron का H2O whole power 4. Correct. And iron solid 1. They didn't ask, but if they ask, you have to write like this. Even pressure also. Pressure means pH2 power 4 you will write. Pressure of partial pressure of hydrogen and partial pressure of steam whole power 4. What is the unit of this? Unit. No unit. Why? Here also concentration power 4, here also concentration power 4. If concentration power 3 is there and here 4 is there, then mole per liter whole power -1. Concentration unit also important. Okay? Right. Understood, children, this answer? By passing more steam. Next question is Doubt means ask. Yes. The pressure at which 1/3 of AB dissociates. 1/3 of AB dissociates. We want. See, question is this much only. Options. This is the equilibrium. Like this single one line questions only, it is tough sometimes. Okay. If this much big question is there, you will think that that is big, but everything will be given in that, and the answer will be very 1 or 2 lines. Right. So here what they are asking, the pressure at which 1/3 of AB dissociate is. First option 8 times of Kp. 8 times of Kp. Second one 6 times of Kp. Third one 16 times of Kp. Fourth option 9 times of Kp. See, while you are calculating Kp, what you require, total number of moles required, right? And partial pressures you required, mole fraction you required, then you will look at Kp. Okay, try. 1 minute. No, Ansh, in the previous question, X is dissociated, X percentage is dissociated. Means initially you have taken 2 moles. In that 50% means 1 mole, 1 only. X value is 1. Okay, Ansh, is it clear, Ansh? Previous question. Ansh, message me. Previous question is having doubt 50%. Yes, what is the answer? Put it. No one. Aditya. B or D. B or D. I gave options. You again don't give options back to me. A, B, C, D में 1 होगा anyway because I wrote only 4. How it will be B and D? That sense. Only one should be there, no? Okay, listen. So first, how to write this one? Ansh, is the board clear? Ansh, is the board clear? Option small. Okay. 8 times of Kp, 6 times of Kp, 16 times of Kp, 9 times of Kp. 6 times someone did. Okay, we'll see how to do this. First, AB gives rise to A plus B, right? Yes. The pressure at which 1/3 of AB dissociates. So I will take it as 1 children initially. Okay. So 1/3 dissociate they only give. So here how much is formed? 1/3, 1/3. Am I correct till here? 1/3 of AB is formed. Okay. Now those are the moles at equilibrium. Now can't you find total number of moles and mole fraction? You can find. So what is the total number of moles? See, ma Kp we want means what I told you. Kp के लिए क्या चाहिए पहले? What do you need? Partial pressure. For partial pressure, what you need? Mole fraction. For mole fraction, what you need? Total number of moles and initial moles. That only. What is tough in that? So first I know the equilibrium moles. So what is the equilibrium moles? 2/3, 1/3, 1/3. Equilibrium moles आ गया. Children, if doubt means please ask. Last bench. Are you understanding, Raf? These are the moles at equilibrium. Total number of moles how much? 2/3 plus 1/3 plus 1 by 3. How much? 4 by 9 cos 3. Okay. So what we say for not in Marathi? Nahi. Okay. Nahi, nahi. That's all. Okay. So 4 by 3 total number of moles. Yes. Now mole fraction of AB. Yes, children. Come on. Mole fraction. Directly can I do partial fraction? Partial pressure. Partial pressure of AB how much? Mole fraction of AB into total pressure. Total pressure is idea na. So we will take it as P only. Total pressure is not there. So how many times they are asking? How many times? So I will take total pressure as P. Total pressure, let it be P. Okay. So I am taking P. Because how many times I have to find out, right? So partial pressure of AB is equal to mole fraction of AB how much? 2 by 3 by 4 by 3. So 1 upon 2. 2 or 3? 3 will get cancelled. Into total pressure is P. So I can write P by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now, partial pressure of A, how much? A. Partial pressure of A, 1 by 3 upon 4 by 3 into P. Number of moles of A by total number of moles into total pressure. Total pressure I have taken P. Doubt means ask children. So this is answer 1 by 4. Means P by 4. Okay. Partial pressure of B. So that is also P by 4. Why? Because it is also having equal moles at 1. Now tell the answer. Kp. What is Kp now? So shall I arrange the options we might have written? Because place nahi hai. Okay. Tell. Partial pressure. Now what you have written? Kp. Kp is equal to partial pressure of A into partial pressure of B by partial pressure of AB. Am I right? Product by reactant. No raising powers because all are 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. Right? Now partial pressure of A how much? P by 4 into P by 4 by P by 2. So how much children this is? P square, PP will get cancelled. Anyhow, P square by 16 into 2 by P. Am I right? So that is 1 by 8. P, 1 by 8 or P by 8. So my P and 8 are same. Look at the board clearly. So P by 8 is the answer. Now Kp is equal to P by 8. Now what is my question? The pressure at which 1 by 3 of AB dissociate. So 1 by 3 dissociated, we take it as granted. We have taken the granted 1 by 3. Now what is that? The total pressure at which 1 by 3 relative is 8 times that of Kp is the answer. Is it clear? Second bench. Understand how to find Kp? First what we have to do, Aditya, for Kp. Partial pressure strategy. Okay. First what we do is partial pressure. So partial pressure calculate करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Mole fraction. Mole fraction calculate करने के लिए total number of moles and moles at equilibrium. So what is mole fraction formula? Suppose here, no need zero. Mole fraction of AB you want means moles of AB by total moles. That's all. Here mole fraction of A means that mole by total moles. Here mole fraction of B means that moles by total moles. Understanding? Any doubt? Let's go. Once more I have to explain. Okay. So what they are asking is the pressure at which 1 by 3 of AB dissociates. Who want to repeat again? Who didn't understand? Please raise your hand. I will tell once again. You want hesitation? Understood? No? Easy only, no? Okay. So the pressure at which 1 by 3 of AB dissociates means zero. Initially 1 is there. 1 by 3 dissociated means 1 minus 1 by 3. So formed also 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If suppose 2A is there, here 2 into 1 by 3 will form. If suppose 3B is there, 3 into 1 by 3 will form. But all are 1, 1, 1. So how much dissociate, that much only will form. Okay. Next, here total number of moles are 2 by 3, means 3 minus 1 by 2, mixed fraction. Here 1 by 3, 1 by 3. You got what? This is equilibrium moles. Equilibrium moles के बाद mole fraction करना. Now total number of moles. Total number of moles means add 4 by 3. So you know initial moles, total moles. That by this is mole fraction. Mole fraction multiplied by total pressure is partial pressure. Mole fraction multiplied by total pressure. So here mole fraction by total pressure. Mole fraction by total pressure. Mole fraction by total pressure. Then Kp equation. That's it. Okay. Next question. AB3, AB3. I am giving normal reactions, children, easy ones. AB plus or AB2 plus half B2. Total B3 only, check one. Right? So this is the when if initial pressure of AB3 is 800 atmospheres, if initial pressure of AB3 is 800 atmospheres ATM, anytime, any not, and total pressure is 900 atmospheres. Total pressure is 900 atmospheres. Okay, very easy question, right? This time I want the answer from you. What fraction of AB3 is dissociated? What fraction of AB6 is dissociated? What fraction? So they are just asking fraction of AB3 is dissociated. Answer 4 by 9. 1 by 9 answer. What fraction means the percentage of AB3 only. The fraction actually is not percentage. Okay, right. What percentage of AB3 is dissociated? Fraction or percentage? No, not 1 by 9. Options 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. 25 is exactly right. But how? हवा में डाल दिया ऐसा. फिर आगे 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay, Ansh. Ansh, can you solve this? Yes, I want the answers from you. Easy only. Lesha. Do this. Yes. Smallest very logic. I'll do magic. I'll throw you food. Yes. Do it, brother. 1, 1, 1 equation is there. How to calculate it all. No one knows that. These many questions we did almost some 30. And each question is new for you. You have to try it. Shall I give the clue? Yes, Aditya. Do it. AB3 gives rise to AB2 plus half B2. Okay. Now, initially, go and wash your face and do 10 rounds and come back. So this is 800 initially, XX. So no, 0, 0, because initial moles, nothing is there. Is this clear, children, for everyone? First point. Next, how much is we told? That we don't know. So take it as x. We don't know, take it as x. X is dissociated. So how much is formed here? Can anyone? X only. Here how much? X by 2. You know everything. But why not answer? Correct. X by 2. This thing you know means half of the part we got it. Now what you tell? Total pressure is 19, or they told. So these all pressures only, these are not moles. So I can take pressure also minus pressure, some pressure, or anything, x or pressure. P also you can take, or P by 2. Those who wrote x don't cut it. Both are same. Nothing will happen. Because they told pressure, I wrote pressure. That's all. If you write x also, not a problem. X we don't know. That x finally is pressure. Now tell me, total pressure 900. So what I will do? 800 minus P plus P plus P by 2 is equal to how much? 900. 900. Then what is P? This will get cancelled. 800 minus P of 4. Do it and tell me. 900 minus 800 is 100. 150. 200 I think. P value. Hey, go to third class and learn medicine and camera. So much. So what is P children here? 200. So P is 200 means what they are asking, what percentage of AB3 is dissociated? Means how much is dissociated now? 200 dissociated. Your formula. Total how much? Into 100. That is only percentage of P. How much? Initial, hey, initial 800. Now P got dissociated. That is 200 into 100. Anything is tough here. But why did you do? Why didn't you do? That you हवा में okay. Next one. Aditya understood? Don't miss us. So if followed examples, textbook and my examples, solve it. You will get some 80% clarity. Okay? Marks also 80% only. Because 80% clarity, you will get 100% marks. You won't get. Next question. Here 4 equilibriums are there. Yeah, listen. 2SO2 plus O2 gives rise to 2SO3. What is this process called? Those who want to talk, go out and talk nicely, and afterwards don't come. There only is. So 2SO3 which process? Contact process. It is used for sulfur trioxide preparation. Next, N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2 ammonia. What is this process? They didn't give, just I am saying, Haber process. Haber's process is for preparation of ammonia. Contact process is for such. Next, N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO. Which process? I don't know. Normally, right? We have to check it. 2NO, it is endothermic reaction. That part I know. Now, PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 plus what? Cl2. Okay, first bench. Again, don't ask how the ammonia came. Okay? Now, the question is, in which case backward reaction is favored by increasing the pressure? In which case backward reaction is favored? Backward reaction is favored by increasing the pressure. Is exactly correct. Yes. So how to do this? Favored means what? What do you mean by favored? In favor. Forward reaction. Reaction is favorable means what is that, children? Forward reaction. Whenever you find reaction is favorable, that is meaning that favorable forward reaction. Okay, na? Reactants to product. Now, in which reaction forward reaction takes place? Increasing pressure means it will go to the less number of moles. No. What is the effect? So here there is no effect, children. Why? Delta n is 0. Delta n 0 means pressure has no effect or not. Okay. And in this delta n is less than 0. Here also delta n is less than 0. Will you agree? 2 minus 4 minus 2, children. Here 2 minus 3. All are gases. All are gases. All are gases. So here also 2 minus 3 minus 1. But here what? Delta n is greater than 0. Okay now. So what is the pressure effect? In these three cases only pressure has effect. If pressure is increased, then equilibrium shift towards which side? Yes, that point here. Less number of moles. If the same reaction you added inert gas is added to the equilibrium, then which side it will move? More number of moles means forward reaction is favorable. Okay, na? Okay. So if pressure is increased, equilibrium shift to less number of moles. Less number of moles means which side? Less number of moles are there. Right. Oh, backward reaction is favorable to by. Okay. If pressure is increased, less number of moles side it will go. So backward reaction, less number of moles which side is there? Here less number of moles. Here less number of moles means forward. Here less number of moles means forward. See, total number of moles 3, 2 ra. If pressure is increased, always the equilibrium moves to less number of moles. No, huh? Less number of moles are not. So first case, which side it will move? Forward reaction. Next. Forward only, less number of moles. See. Here, backward, less number of moles. Shall I tell again? So here forward reaction is favorable because pressure is increased. Pressure is increased forward. Here which one? Forward. Here backward. Understanding? So they are asking in which case backward reaction is favorable. Favorable means from right to left. Okay. So normally if this is not given, favorable condition means then what is the meaning? If this is not given, backward is not given, means reactant to product. What is the favorable condition means reactant to product. But here they told backward, mentioned it. Mentioned means backward only. If they don't mention what is the favorable reaction means reactants to product, that is favorable. So I told here one equation. Have you remembered? A to B, Sira, A to B, what is the favorable condition? Concentration thermometer. A to B, what is the favorable conditions? Forward means what? Always concentration should be decreased, then forward it will move. Concentration increase means forward, or concentration of B decreased means then also forward. So this is the favorable condition. Like that you have to say. Understanding that? If A concentration increase here, according to Lee chart, it should decrease. Decrease means forward reaction. If B concentration is decreased, according to Lee chart, it should increase, means again forward. So favorable condition for this is either increase the concentration of A or decrease the concentration of B. This is the favorable condition, means forward reaction. Now, Lee chart once again you want that only it is no. See, here A is there, B is there. So if I increase the concentration of A, what is the meaning? A ka increase kiya concentration, then it should decrease. Means which side it will go? Decrement. Forward reaction. That one. Next question. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2 ammonia. Yes. This is the equation. Now here they are asking. Here they are asking. Equilibrium moves in forward direction. Equilibrium should move in forward direction. What is the condition? For a reaction, for equilibrium to move in forward direction. For equilibrium to move in forward direction. Here they will do plus heat also. Now see, small thing I have given. So what effect will be there? What effect will be there? Temperature effect also will be there. So in which case it will move in the forward. By increasing the concentration of ammonia, listen. By increasing the concentration of ammonia, option A, all of you listen, don't write. By decreasing the pressure, think. By decreasing the pressure, all options you see. By decreasing the pressure, by decreasing the concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen. By decreasing the concentration of nitrogen and hydrogen. Both decreasing under. Last one, by increasing pressure and decreasing the temperature. By increasing the pressure and decreasing the temperature. Yes. Le-Chatelier principle, maximum questions will come theoretical. Now you write the question and think of it. Le-Chatelier perfect. Yes, all should tell. Correct. For equilibrium to move in the forward direction. So what is needed? So if they give this reaction is favorable at what time? It is favorable at, can anyone say? Low temperature and high pressure. This ammonia formation is favorable. Low temperature and high pressure. So now one by one condition can we see now? By increasing the concentration of ammonia, all of you listen. Ammonia concentration increase means according to Le-Chatelier, it should decrease. Decrease means which direction it will move, then only it will get decrease. Backward. If it start decomposing to form hydrogen and ammonia, then only it will decrease. Okay, na? Means which reaction is favorable? Backward. Shall I tell again? If concentration of ammonia is increased, according to Le-Chatelier, it should decrease. Means backward reaction. By decreasing the pressure, equilibrium moves to more number of moles. One word you have to remember. Increasing the pressure, equilibrium moves to less number of moles. Decreasing the pressure, equilibrium moves to more number of moles. So more number of moles where it is there? 3 plus 1, 4 are there now. So which reaction? Only backward. Right? By decreasing the nitrogen and hydrogen, these two decrease here. These two are decreased. Means according to Le-Chatelier, these two should increase. Increase means which direction? Forward or backward? Not understand. See. Decrease. ये दोनों decrease किया. So according to Le-Chatelier, it should increase. Increase means which one? Backward only, no? Confused. ये दोनों decrease हुआ रहा. Means according to Le-Chatelier, it should increase. Means which direction it will move? Backward, na? Forward means still decrease होगा. Already decrease. Again forward जाएगा तो full decrease होगा. Understand? Last one. By increasing pressure, less number of moles. Less number of moles means which side? Right side. So forward. And low temperature. It is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction ka table? If it is exothermic reaction is exo. Low temperature is favorable. Means what is the meaning of this line? Temperature को decrease करे तो forward, increase करे तो backward. So यहाँ condition क्या था? Decrease. Right? Second one understood? Little confused. B increase. Recharge once again. We want me come personally from 11 to 12 in the midnight. Okay. Next question. Shall I erase? Online बच्चों understand? 4 messages. Maybe all are of Ansh. 800 pressure is right. Sir, the formula are applicable for pressure also. Which formula? Yes. It will be applicable for pressure also. Anse के essay लिखा है रा. Ansh, your messages all together one big essay. 8 marks essay it will become. Next one. A gives rise to B. Right, this type you see. This type 2 I will give you now. This also they are asking. A gives rise to B. Equilibrium constant is 2.0. And C gives rise to B. No, not B. B gives rise to equilibrium constant is 0.01. Very easy. Those who know mathematics, they can do it. Very easy. Then what is the Kc for? C gives rise to A. The question was not printed properly. Okay. C to A. Option shall I give? Okay. Do it and tell me. Option shall I give? A 1000, 1.99, B 2500, C 5000, D 7500. By hand and book if it is there. Can you one more question I will give you to solve this. Easy. You know every conversion and calculations reverse करने से क्या होगा? By 2 into 2 everything you know. Just to get that C to A. So final equation में B नहीं था. B is not there. So B को eliminate कर दो. This is the equation. 2C to 2A there are. As if you did it 3 pages and then you crossed it, you wasted 5-10 minutes time. You are saying nothing you did, simply you said and sir you are asking. See, now options also didn't write and he is saying sir. Yes. Very good. Option number 2, 2500. Yes, last bench girl. Understanding? So, one by one I will ask now. Okay, na? Last 3 members you have to tell one by one step. I will ask. Okay? Right. A plus B is 2. Now, I want to see no. Calculate. Last second. If I give 2B plus 2C, what is the increase? You tell me. 2B से 2C क्या? तो क्या होगा? 0.0 or just I can add it. I can add children. Both shall I add? So what happens? A plus B gives rise to B plus C. At least this equilibrium you tell me. They are not raising it at the head only. Just tell. What is this happen? A plus B gives rise to B plus C. इसका equilibrium क्या है? Just I added, right? Then this will be multiplied. If you add two equations, equilibrium constant will be multiplied. So what is that? 2 into 0.01. Run do. Okay. So B cancelled. We got what now? A gives rise to C. We got it as 2 into 0.01. Now, but we want 2C to 2A. So I will multiply with 2. Then equilibrium how much? Whole square. If I multiply with 2, then the equilibrium will be raised to the power 2. Okay. Now what I will do? I will do reverse. Then this will be 1 by reciprocal of that. So this is how much, children? 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 4. Right? Correct or not? So that is nothing but 1000 by 10,000 by 4. That is 2500. I repeat once again. Anyway, you can do not only this method. Somehow you have to get 2C to 2A. Somehow you have to get 2C you want. You can multiply this 2 initially. Okay. And this 2 you can do minus. Anyhow you can do the equation. So first of what I did, I added. Because in the final equation, I don't have B. Final equation, I don't have B. So B को eliminate कर दो. ऐसे eliminate करना है. दोनों को add कर दो. So left B, right B will get cancelled. So if you add two equilibriums, their equilibrium constant will be multiplied. So 2 into 0.01, how much is the answer? 0.02. This is 0.02 multiplied. Now after this, we want 2A, 2C. So I multiplied with 2 again. So when you multiply, then the concentration will be power 4. So power 4 is how much? 0.02 whole square. But I didn't write actually, finally I did. Okay, now? Finally I did. So after that, what I did? Reverse. Reverse the equation. Equilibrium constant will be reciprocal of this. Okay, how you did the second bench? How did you do? Same method only. Okay. Anyone doubt, ma, this one? Doubt? I wrote the answer. So shall I give one more of the same model and we'll close the class? Class means telling I will close, not disclosing. Okay? Yes. One more question is there, same matter, but little different. Yes, all of you write this. Last question for today. Morning session. Yes. So this is the question. A plus B, all of you write. Last question for today. A plus B gives rise to E. KC value is 6. No talking. Those who know, raise the hand. I will come to you. You tell me. 10 minutes is there. Don't tell out. So 2B plus C gives rise to 2D. इसका KC value 4. Now, what will be the equilibrium constant? Calculate the equilibrium constant for. Calculate KC for A plus D gives rise to E plus C by 2. Okay? Time up. This is for homework. By 2 o'clock, you should do. Those who do the answer correctly, I will say them very good. Right, children? This is for homework. We will continue the class with thermochemistry sharp 2 o'clock. Fine.